Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Hangar Garage. Today we're going to one of my favorite places, LKQ. LKQ is a pick your own part junkyard, and it's saved me a lot of money over the years. Also, it's kind of helped me learn how to take off parts, and then obviously once you take them off, you can figure out how to put them back on without having to work on your own car. That saves really a lot of time and headaches. So sometimes I used to just go out there and just wrench on stuff just to kind of look at it and learn it and figure it out. It's a great place to do that for really cheap, and you can kind of just go there with some buddies and hang out. My 2004 330xi obviously is old. It's 15 years old. I was thinking about putting it into retirement, either doing an LS swap like we now have for an E46, which is super exciting, or just, you know, scrapping it and buying a new car that I'd really enjoy. And we started this channel. I figured, why not keep it, and why not do a bunch of stuff to it that you guys can see. So I'm heading there today to pick up some trim parts, some new mirrors, hopefully inside and out, because after a while they start to break down. They do have some new to the yard 330, an actual 330xi, same year. So I'm hoping to get some stuff there that I can hopefully show you, and we can do a little bit of wrenching today. All right, guys, at LKQ, all the way in the back, and look at all this glory. Yeah, that is right. Look at all the cars. So let's go ahead and walk over, because I found the car that I want. And it looks like it's got some nice pieces. In fact, I'm probably gonna have to come back here. Unfortunately, they took some of the seats, and I did kind of want to think about getting new seats. I have some scrapes in mine, and this thing's got a pretty decent interior. Let's go check this out here real quick. It's got some nice inner paneling, some black and tan inner paneling. But they took off all of the trim, it looks like, which is fine. But he's got some nice carbon fiber wraps, and looks like he did a decent job here. So I'm probably gonna be taking some of this stuff. Who knows? I'll get into this and see what stuff I kind of want to take out. The mirrors are intact. They actually look new. Yeah, see, I got the rear view mirror. That's gonna happen. I might be able to find another one. What about over here? Let's check it out. Mirror caps are in good shape. Yeah, see how you see this little thing? That means the auto dim function's not working on that anymore. But that's okay. I need the motor anyway, so I'll probably pick those up, see if they work, and I'm gonna start working on this. So I got 2 mirrors. Hopefully they'll work, and I just still need a rear view mirror to make up for the one I have. I might have to order that online. I guess we'll see. Got my 2 side view mirrors. One of the mirrors has its auto dimmer still intact, so that's good. And I'm hoping the mirror on the right, which does not have the auto dimmer intact, the engine will be working, the motor will be working. I might just be able to take the motor out of that and put it in my other one, because the auto dim on that is still working technically. We'll see. And you'll notice I didn't have any shade, because unlike sensitive boy Jer,
If you're sensitive bone, it's all right.
I'm okay with working in the sun and the heat, as you can tell by my sweat. So yesterday I had quite the haul at LKQ. I went in there for some side view mirrors, a rear view mirror, and hopefully some passenger side wheel well liner. Didn't find that, but what I did find were the side view mirrors, and also real happy about that. My panels were fading, not cracking, but probably getting pretty close to it, just because of, you know, being in the sun and the fact that they're all black. So now I'm gonna go ahead and install the panels, install the mirrors, and be one step closer to bringing this puppy up to date. Alrighty, so I got the side view mirrors replaced, I got the door panels replaced, and they look really good. I'm very excited about that find. Now I just got the rear two panels to do, and I'm all done. Well, that concludes this episode of the Hangar Garage. With a great pick-your-own-part junkyard, a little bit of luck, you can really upgrade your car cost-effectively. If you have any questions about what I did, put them in the comments below. And as always, please subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time.